Hey friends, I am Tasip. Welcome back to my channel. In this simple tutorial, I am going to show you how to add video inside of your text in Adobe Premiere. Don't forget to click subscribe and bell icon to get latest content from my channel. Let's get started. First I drag my drone video clip to second video track. Then right click on your project panel and go to new item. Next click the color matte. Then click the OK. Select the color as you will. Then type a name and click the OK. Drag that color matte to your timeline. Then get the text tool and type the name you want. Then adjust the position and scale as you want. Go to Effect panel and open the Video Effects folder and inside the Keying folder. Then drag this track matte key onto the color matte. Go to your effect control panel and go down. We should see the track matte key effect. Click this button and you can see new names. Our title text is on is video track 2. So if we press video 2, you should be able to see that Premiere will use the boundaries of the video track 2, which is our text title, to act as a mask for the clip. Drag again the track matte key to your drone video clip. Go to Effect Control and go down. Click this button and select Video 3 again. Now let's remove this blue outline of this text. Select your color matte and go again to Effect Control panel. Then click this timer button and reduce the opacity. Drag to left side the drone shot in this way. Reduce sizes of other tracks similar to drone shot size. You can animate your text like this. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I will see you in the next video.